few like maybe drop left, so I'm gonna use until I finish it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this whole entire layer. It's not too thick, not too thin. You can see that how I spread the bristle to make sure they are like going to really stay nice and even. And floating the top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Okay. All right, and then now we're gonna do some fun part. I really like that. I'm in Kevin spot on this one. Something on this one. Some crystal in this one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna using a randomly like add it on. So my centerpiece here I just got as a little cutie's happy face. And then I want to add some butterflies here. I love this fun whimsical like collections. It had so many of the elements for me to add it on. I can add anything I want. Look at what I got. Oh, that's cute. Okay. There you go. And then you can alternate it. Oh, the flowers. Super cute. I don't know what type of flowers it is, but it's so definitely adorable. I love that how you can do it right in the middle. You can do it right in the middle of the nails, or you can do it on the cuticles area, however you would like. Maybe we have some pink, happy face. You good? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm adding some leaf in there. That's like look like a leaf. Alright, so I'm gonna add some beads on it. I saw the heart. So here's is the easiest way when you're doing the crystal design. It doesn't matter whatever designs you come up with. You can do it from the cuticle area, or in the middle of the nails, or is on the diagonals of the nails. Is start with the centerpiece first. This will help you you know, like moving forward with your designs without feel get lost. So it means that you start with a centerpiece first. So it doesn't matter whatever shape that you are going to do for centerpiece. For instance, in this one I'm using this a happy face, so I'm doing it right in the centerpiece first, and then I add all the crystal and then other elements, beads and frame right in along with the centerpiece. So I'm put them really close, tight together. As you see, they are connecting really good and tight together. So they are not only is going to last longer. One of the purpose of it is going to last so much longer because they all connect together. And then plus that you will never go wrong with the designs at all whatsoever. Oh, I like that. Here, I'll give it one more. And you can go on and on about the beads. You can add bigger beads, smaller beads, tiny beads. You get different colors. I'm loving it. This one has a lot for me to play with. How's everyone doing? Thanks so much, TikTok. TikTok is really cool. We got to see TikTok fam again. And then, of course, YouTube fam and Facebook fam. All right. You can go on and on if you want to add more. Absolutely. Don't limit yourself of what you can do. You can add more if you want to. If you're happy with this, we are going to start cure this beauty for like 60 seconds. I love this. You will never go wrong with this mix cutie bags from a sub box. Oh, cute. All right, cure for 60 seconds.